Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video we're gonna test this tool that I got yesterday from TEMU site. You could check out the previous video in which I reviewed the tool, its quality, price, etc. So today we're gonna test it to see how it works. How does it work? We have those simple single-sided wafer locks for mailboxes, and let's see which jiggler will defeat this lock, those locks. For such tool you don't need to have any particular skills, you just need to jiggle, and everything depends on possibility to find the correct combination for the lock. This one doesn't work. Let's move to the next one. For now we don't have anything. And we got it open. We got it open. This is the first lock opened by a jiggler. Let's move to the next one. Different bitting. Again, starting with this saw blade. You never know which jiggler will make success. So you have to be gentle, of course, not to put so much pressure on the jigglers. If it doesn't work at the beginning, it probably won't work later. So, couple of tries and you move to the next jiggler. This one doesn't do its job. Second one, which let's see, this one has different orientation, as you see. Okay. You put a small amount of tension and try to unlock. We don't have anything. Let's move to the next one. And we got it open. As you see, the lock is open. So let's move to the next one. Again, Let's try with something different now. Let's try with this circle-shaped jiggler. This probably won't do much because it's pretty simple shape, but you never know. You never know. We don't have any success. Let's try with this one. Let's be quicker. Let's try this one. This is huge. Huge one for radical beating. Don't have any success for now. Those super radical don't work in every case. This one maybe. Doesn't work. Let's try this saw blade. Nothing. Let's try this smaller saw blade with smaller teeth. And we got it open. We have open lock. As you saw, many different beatings need different jigglers to make some success. And the last lock we have this one. Let's try again with this. It's much easier to hold. And we got it open. Again. See? So guys, pretty much this tool does work, at least for those simple single-sided wafer locks. We're gonna see in the future, is it useful for some different, a bit harder to pick wafer locks, such as ABUS, bike locks, AXA, or some Trelock, also bike locks. Those have much more wafers and they are double-sided, etc. So if it does work for double-sided, more secured wafer locks, this tool will be pronounced as really cheap but really useful, and I will recommend it as a legit picking tool. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye bye.